There is a famous quote that says, "The way you treat yourself sets the standard for others on how you demand to be treated." You are being disrespected and undervalued at every slight opportunity at work, school, or at home. Obviously, the fault is not theirs, but yours. Here are 5 researched, psychologically proven ways to get more respect everywhere you go. Number 1. Listen actively. Research from the University of California, Berkeley, suggests that feeling heard and understood activates the brain's reward center, strengthening social bonds and fostering a sense of connection. Picture yourself in a meeting where everyone's voicing their ideas. By actively listening, nodding, and asking thoughtful questions, you show genuine interest. Active listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about understanding the underlying emotions and intentions behind them. When you engage in active listening, you create a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. This fosters trust and respect among colleagues, paving the way for collaboration and innovation. So next time you're in a conversation, remember to listen with your ears, your eyes, and your heart. Next, show confidence. Imagine you're at a networking event. When you confidently approach someone and introduce yourself with a firm handshake and a smile, you immediately command respect. People are drawn to those who exude assurance. Your self-assurance not only influences how others perceive you, but also impacts how you perceive yourself. According to a study by Harvard Business School, body language accounts for 55% of the impact we make during interactions. By projecting confidence in your abilities and demeanor, you pave the way for meaningful connections and opportunities to flourish. So, stand tall, speak with conviction, and let your confidence light the path to success. Next, show competence. Your expertise and proficiency are like a skilled craftsman meticulously shaping raw material into a masterpiece, earning admiration and respect from colleagues. Competence is the currency of credibility, as it demonstrates your ability to deliver results and make a meaningful impact. When you consistently display competence in your field, you become a trusted authority whose opinions and contributions are valued. Just as a beacon guides ships safely to shore, your competence guides others towards success, earning you the respect of peers and leaders alike. Research from the Center for Creative Leadership indicates that individuals who continuously seek opportunities for learning new skills and self-development, such as watching videos like this, are more likely to be viewed as competent and trustworthy leaders. So, invest in continuous learning and self-development, honing your skills and expertise to become a beacon of competence in your domain. Next, respect others. Consider a scenario where someone disagrees with you. Instead of dismissing their viewpoint, acknowledge their perspective. Treating others with respect, regardless of differences, is like building bridges that connect diverse communities. Just as a bridge spans a river, respect bridges the gap between individuals, fostering understanding and cooperation. When you respect others, you cultivate a culture of inclusivity and acceptance, where everyone feels valued and appreciated. According to a survey conducted by the Society for Human Resource Management, 72% of employees ranked respectful treatment of all employees at all levels as the most important factor in job satisfaction. By practicing empathy and tolerance, you lay the foundation for a harmonious and respectful community, where everyone's contributions are celebrated. So let respect be the cornerstone of your interactions, building bridges that withstand the test of time. Number 5. Handle conflicts constructively. According to a study by CPP, a provider of assessments and training tools, unresolved conflicts cost organizations approximately $359 billion in lost productivity annually in the United States alone. Consider a scenario where 2 colleagues have differing opinions on how to approach a project. Instead of letting tensions escalate, one of them initiates a constructive conversation to address the conflict by actively listening to each other's perspectives and acknowledging the underlying concerns. They work together to find a compromise that satisfies both parties. This approach not only resolves the immediate conflict, but also strengthens their relationship and enhances collaboration over the long term. As a result, they are able to work more effectively together, leading to higher productivity and job satisfaction for all. Just as a skilled navigator steers a ship through stormy seas, your ability to navigate conflicts with grace and tact earns you respect and admiration from others. So, embrace conflicts as opportunities for growth and learning, and let your adept handling of disagreements strengthen your relationships and earn you respect. By incorporating these strategies into your interactions with others, you can cultivate a reputation for respect and integrity in both your personal and professional life. Dive deeper into personal growth with our transformative video titled 6 Tips to Instantly Make You More Likeable. Lesson from how to win friends and influence people. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing personal growth and development contents. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, improving, and stay safe. See See you in the next one.